how you prepare and support ILAs to adapt to different workflows when every attorney generally does things a little bit different.
So the good thing about these ILAs is a lot of them are accustomed to working with different attorneys and a couple of different practice areas. So they've kind of gotten used to having to acclimate to how each attorney will do things a little bit differently. Found that they're pretty adaptable. They're not super set in their own ways. They understand that they're entering into a different legal system than they're used to. And while the fundamental aspects of that remain the same, kind of the ethical components of being an attorney and working the legal field, and maybe the tasks are similar, and the more, practical performance of practicing the different components of the law, that remains very much intact, which is good. Doesn't take too much adjustment there. But, like you said, every attorney has their own preferences, their own way of doing things. There's a lot of nuance between each attorney and even the way that they would draft a motion. Some of them have very specific preferences in the way they want things worded, or their standards are different. So I think that two main ways that we're able to kind of support and prepare the ILA for that is, like I said, initially we ask in that onboarding call, do you have any specific preferences? Is there anything that you think that you do as an attorney that might be very different from the next attorney that jumps right out at you? And so we would gather those preferences and then, train the ILA or prep them or have them thinking in that way. That's the first thing. And then I think that the second thing is just kind of screening as well for people that are adaptable, that don't mind. And we do that even at Speakeasy, at DocketWorks, when we're hiring. That's one of the questions that we ask our account managers and really anybody doing a position here, because you come from another workplace where things are done differently, and now you're in this new place where the systems are different and the preferences are different, and just the way that we do things may not be the way that you're used to doing them. But that adaptability and that flexibility, it's really a personality trait of being able to keep up with that. And so we do specifically screen for that before bringing an ILA on board as well.